Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off and disconnecting the AirPods Max, then place them face down on a non-conductive mat. Once done, remove the ear cushions by pulling straight off and set them aside. This exposes the cup screws. Make sure to photograph each step and organize screws into labeled trays so reassembly is precise. Use the correct pentalobe or tri-point driver. Forcing the wrong driver damages heads, so secure the tiny parts before proceeding to internal access. You now remove the internal shields and carefully unsnap the ribbon and battery connectors using a plastic spudger, avoiding metal probes. Once accessible, inspect the speaker drivers, battery, and flex cables for fraying, corrosion, or burn components. Visual issues usually indicate the repair path. If replacing a flex or driver, transfer screws and brackets exactly as removed. When installing a new battery, align contacts and use fresh adhesive strips to prevent movement. Make sure you reassemble by reversing steps. Reinstall shields, reconnect ribbons, and press connectors until they seat, then replace cushions and torque screws gently. Once assembled, power on and run pairing, audio playback, and active noise cancellation checks, listening for channel balance and distortion. If something fails, don't panic. First, troubleshoot by measuring battery voltage and checking connector continuity. Often a loose connector or depleted battery is the cause. If voltage and continuity are correct, focus on the amplifier or driver replacement next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.